Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa wamemezela uMasalanabo Modjadji njengendlovukazi yesikhombisa yesizwe saBalobedu okungabaPedi. Umntwana uLekukela Modjadji uveze okungenami ngalokhu njengoba ethi lesi simemezelo sashiya isizwe saBalobedu sididekile futhi sinoqhekeko.
I myself with the royal family are disappointed in the manner which the government has overlooked our customs and traditions in identifying an heir to my mother's throne, and further has disregarded the royal family's decision which was formally communicated to government in April of 2021.
Ngokusho komkhandlu, umntwana uLekukela nguye okumele athathe isihlalo ngoba bakholelwa ukuthi nguye onolwazi olugcwele ngesizwe saBalobedu futhi nguye okhulele ekhaya. Abahambisana nomntwana uMasalanabo bakhala ngokuthi kungani manje lesihlalo kufanele sithathwe ngowesilisa ngoba sinomlando wokuthathwa ngowesifazane njengoba kwaziwa uQueen Modjadji indlovukazi yemvula.
Is not married to gender. We would be unconstitutional. Anybody taking us to court, we would be charged for being discriminatory.
Indlunkulu yaBalobedu kanye neyebamba bukhosi bathi sebezame zonke izindlela zokuxhumana nomengameli wezwe kodwa abaphumeleli. Umkhandlu uphinde wathi uzonikela enkantolo ngoba ubona sengathi ubukhosi babaPedi bubukelwa phansi.